Ever wondered how a machine could learn to solve puzzles by mimicking the way life organizes itself? Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking study on neural cellular automata, AI systems that learn through decentralized, rule-based interactions, much like cells in a living organism. Let's break down how these systems work, why they're tricky to train, and what makes them so promising. So imagine a grid of cells, each making decisions based on its neighbors. That's the core idea behind neural cellular automata, or NCAs. But here's the twist. Instead of following strict, synchronized rules, these systems use stochastic updates, random, asynchronous changes that mimic the messy, real-world chaos of biological processes. Surprisingly, this randomness isn't a flaw, it's a tool. By introducing variability, the model avoids overfitting to training examples, filtering out weak solutions that don't generalize. It's like giving the AI a little creative freedom to discover more robust patterns. Now, training these systems is no walk in the park. The researchers found that if you only check the final result after a bunch of steps, the AI struggles to learn stable, consistent behaviors. Think of it like trying to learn a dance routine by only watching the final performance. Without seeing the intermediate moves, you're guessing. To fix this, they train the model to constantly supervise every step, not just the end. This keeps the system from getting lost in corrupted intermediate states and helps it stabilize faster. Let's talk about a cool case study, the spiral task. The AI was shown small spiral patterns and had to generate larger ones. Even though it only saw tiny examples, it learned a compact rule that scaled up perfectly to a 100x100 grid. How? By figuring out local interactions that repeated over time, like how a single cell's decision can ripple through the whole system. This shows NCAs can capture complex, scalable patterns through simple, decentralized rules. But not every task went smoothly. Some models failed because they overfit to training examples, memorizing specific cases instead of learning general rules. Others couldn't handle new scenarios, like a test input with a color never seen in training. These limitations highlight a big challenge. NCAs struggle with tasks requiring color generalization or structural diversity, things humans handle effortlessly. So what's the takeaway? Stochastic updates and constant supervision aren't just technical fixes, they're clues about how to design better self-organizing systems. By embracing randomness and learning from intermediate steps, NCAs show us a new way to tackle problems that require adaptability and scalability. And while they're not perfect yet, their ability to mimic biological processes opens doors for future AI applications, from creative design to complex scientific modeling. What do you think? Could systems like this one day solve puzzles we haven't even imagined yet? Let me know in the comments, because the future of AI might just be learning to think like a living organism. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit subscribe for more explorations into the weird and wonderful world of AI. See you next time.